Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth on the Nokia 5. If your Bluetooth is malfunctioning, the first step you should take is to scroll down from the very top twice and then turn Bluetooth off and then back on again. However, if this does not fix your problem, you can go into Settings, then scroll down to System, tap on Advanced, go into Reset Options. Here tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. This will, however, forget all of your networks, disconnect you from all the networks, forget all the passwords, all the previously paired devices, etc. Tap on Reset Settings. Use your pattern to unlock it. Tap on Reset Settings again, and all of your network settings have been reset. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.